Hello kids, good morning. This is our English grammar period. In the last video of English grammar, we have already discussed the lesson, the alphabet and alphabetical order, right? Today we are going to solve the exercise that is given in our textbook. Okay? So all of you ready? Very good. Take out lesson number 1 from your textbook. Very good. Now kids, first put today's day and date here. Always remember when we start any new lesson, that time you have to put today's day and date. So what is today's date? It's 12/6/20. Day Friday means 12 June 2020. Okay? Got it clear this thing? Don't forget. Okay? Very good. Lesson number 1. The alphabet and alphabetical order. Let's get started. Do you know how many letters there are in the English alphabet? Read the letters in the alphabet train. Now kids, here one train is given to you. Okay? And in that train, some alphabets. Okay? Let's see one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have already learned this in senior KG, right? Now tell me, how many letters are there in English alphabet? I have told you in the last video. Yes, there are total 26 letters are in the English alphabet. Let's see how it is. For A it is 1, for B it is 2, C it is 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Means total 26 letters are in the English alphabet. Okay? Now kids, one more question here. Why we call this ABC order or alphabetical order? Good. We call this ABC order or alphabetical order because all the letters comes in sequentially. Means first come A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then G, then H and so on up to Z. Okay? So when all these letters are comes in sequence, then we call as alphabetical order or ABC order. Got it? Always remember this thing. Okay? Next page. Alphabetical order. Read this list of words. Look at their first letters. A-N-T ant, B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat, D-O-G dog, E-E-L ill, F-I-S-H fish, G-O-A-T goat, H-E-N hen. Okay? Now kids, all these letters are arranged in alphabetically. How it is? Because look first letter of each word. First is A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? Means first come A, then B, then C, then D and so on. Okay? So, this is in the English alphabet. Okay? So, it is called as alphabetical order. Now next. Now kids, this is homework for you. Okay? Because you already know how to write ABCD. Good. Rina wants to find her way home. She can only step on circles with letters on them. Write the missing letters and help Rina reach home. Now, here is Rina and her home is here. You have to find her home with the help of these letters. Okay? Means you have to fill these missing letters. Okay, kids? And you know already how to fill this. Okay? Very good. So it is homework for you. Next example. Write the names of the animals and birds and arrange them in alphabetically. Okay. Now here some birds and animals given to us. Let's see one by one. First is cat. Very good. It's a C-A-T, cat. Then frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Then hen. H-E-N, hen. Then lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Then peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Then rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Okay, now kids, we have to arrange them in alphabetically. Okay. Now tell me, which letter comes first in alphabets? A. Very good. Now tell me, is any word in our list starting from A? No, there is no such a word. So we will take next letter. Next letter is B. Very good. With B? No. Then next is C. Is any word starting from C in our list? Yes, there is cat. C-A-T, cat. So kids, we will put one number to the cat. Okay? Good. Now next letter is D. No. Then E. No. Then F. Yes, we have frog with F. So we will put 2 number to frog. Then next G. No. H. Yes, we have hen starting from H. So we will put 3 number to hen. Okay. Then I. No. J. No. K. No. L. Yes, we have lion starting from L. So we will put 4 number to lion. Got it? Next letter is M. No. N. No. O. No. P. Yes, we have peacock. So we will put 5 number to peacock. Got it, kids? Now kids, only one word is remaining in our list, which is very good. It's a rabbit. So we will put next number means 6 number to the rabbit. Got it? So kids, our correct order is cat, frog, hen, lion, peacock and rabbit. It means that C comes before F, F comes before H, H comes before L, L comes before P and P comes before R. Means cat comes before frog, frog comes before hen, hen comes before lion, lion comes before peacock and peacock comes before rabbit. So this is our correct order. Okay? Got it, kids? Very good. So kids, here we finish our exercise of lesson 1. Okay? Remember to do this homework. Okay, I will check your homework in next period. Got it? Very good. In the next period of grammar, we will solve one worksheet. Okay, kids? Very good. Okay, kids, so don't forget to do your homework. Bye and have a nice day.